Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today I like to talk about reflexive verbs. And I'm pretty sure that you have seen some of them in my mini stories of my course. If you want to see how I use mini stories and colors and images to show you German for beginners, just click on the first link down in the description. First, let's take a verb. For example, waschen. To wash is, first of all, irregular. Therefore, the red color. Waschen is a good example because we can easily turn it into a reflexive verb. And in the infinitive, we say sich waschen. So let's see what it means in its conjugation. The first person singular is as follows. Ich wasche. I wash. And the corresponding reflexive pronoun is mich. So therefore we say ich wasche mich. And we have here also a picture. So ich wasche mich, I wash myself. The green background shows us that the verb here is regular. And the subject is also green because it is in the nominative case. And our reflexive pronoun is in the accusative case and therefore blue. And as a little reminder that it is a reflexive verb, we have the mirror because the object is reflected in the subject. So it's the same person. Interestingly, we can give the reflexive verb some additional information, such as sich die Haare waschen, to wash the hairs oneself. Okay, that's more like a literal translation. And if we now form a sentence, ich wasche mir die Haare, I wash myself the hairs, the additional information takes over the function of the direct object and is therefore in the accusative case. And our reflexive pronoun becomes the dative pronoun because the person has now the benefit of the action. Okay, and the same happens for the second person in singular. Du wäschst dich. You wash yourself. Here without additional information. But please be careful because waschen is irregular here. So the a becomes a umlaut. And that's why the red color and the red background in the picture. And with additional information, the sentence reads as follows. Du wäschst dir die Haare. Literally, you wash yourself the hairs. So also, here there are two possibilities for the reflexive pronoun. So please be careful. Fortunately, the other persons are with only one possibility for the reflexive pronoun. Therefore, the third person singular is as follows. Wäscht sich. He washes himself. And with additional information as follows. Wäscht sich die Haare. He washes himself the hairs. So as you can see, it is not longer necessary to decide between accusative and dative for the reflexive pronoun, since the forms are identical. And it gets even better because the third person always uses sich as the reflexive pronoun. So here's an example with she. So sie wäscht sich. She washes herself. And sie wäscht sich die Haare. She washes herself the hairs. The first form in plural is the following. Wir waschen uns. We wash ourselves. And wir waschen uns die Haare. We wash ourselves the hairs. So again, our reflexive pronoun here is uns. Let's see the second person. Ihr wascht euch. You all wash yourself. And ihr wascht euch die Haare. You all wash yourself the hairs. So here our pronoun is euch. And the third person plural is similar to the singular. Sie waschen sich. They wash themselves. And sie waschen sich die Haare. They wash themselves the hairs. So remember, sich is used for the third person singular and plural. Yeah, and that's one example of a reflexive verb in German, and I can promise you that there are many more. I really hope that you enjoyed my video. And that you don't miss anything, please subscribe to my channel and activate the bell. I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and thank you very much for watching.